Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the FXR Recon heated gloves. I've owned these for a few years. I took them out for the winter season and one of my gloves was not making heat, and maybe you have this problem as well. We're going to try to fix it. Let's see if we can get it done. The wire is right here at the edge of the fabric, and the red stitch line follows the wire all the way around the glove, around all like the fingertips of the glove. Down here where there's the black stitching to open up to try to get inside to see if I can get to into the base here. I think we're gonna have to cut this plastic lining in order to get in and see the electronics to see if there's any way to repair it. On our wires here, where they exit the cuff chamber and go into the track. And there it is, guys, a broken wire, the source of our pain. So the wire that comes out of the glove pocket, it connects to the button first. And then there's cords coming out of the button that go through the plastic here and come out and go down the wire around the glove. So I'm gonna have to cut this plastic open. Okay, so here we are, guys, we're inside. Opened up the fabric, we cut open the plastic. What you're looking into is right where the power button is. Power button is like right here where these two blacks and two reds come together. From there, they got two reds coming out, and I found the other side of my broken wire here. This is the weak spot in the design. Inside the glove, there's a heat-sealed butt splice on the two red wires, and this is the weak spot. You can see that that's where my wire broke off. This is my second glove I've had to do this. The first one they replaced under warranty. This one is not replaceable under warranty. So if you open up one of these sections here with the black rubber on it, what you'll see inside, it's just a connector. So if you need to cut it away, that's okay. It's not a resistor. This one is smaller. It fits the wire better. I'll have to try to insulate it with some tape. The ideal thing here for sure would be a little bit of that heat shrink stuff, but I don't have any. So I'm gonna do it this way. All right, I've done an electrical tape wrap around the metal butt splice that I used. Again, probably your ideal thing here is heat shrink, but I think this will hold up fine. And I'm gonna hit the button here and power this on and see if we get heat. Okay, it's on. Oh, yes. But it worked, guys. We are hooked back up here. We got some heat coming off. Yes, wonderful. All right, so we've successfully applied a piece of tuck tape to close up that cut made in the plastic, and get another set of hands to help you try to hold it while you apply it. And it looks really, really good. Very happy with that. Okay. So if you do this, don't take out any of the red stitching here. Just take out the black stitching so you get into the main compartment. I've got all of the loose threads cleaned up now, so it's ready to be restitched. It's done, sound effects and all. Okay guys, we've come a long way, and I just want to do a huge shout out to my amazing wife here. She went and stitched this all back up for me. Don't take the stitches all the way up to here like I did. It made a lot more work. Just about this much, and hopefully you can find the broken wire in there. Of course, if your broken wire is somewhere else, you might have to go further. But the last step, I just got to put these right side out again. So let's do that. I would recommend, if you do this project as well, try to repair the glove. Don't put all of the fingers inside out. Just try to take it up to about here and leave the fingers, because they are really difficult to get completely reversed. So let's get some batteries and heat these things up. Warming up. It's good. Okay guys, we got it done. I just saved $400 by fixing a little wire. I hope this video helps you with your gloves as well. Thanks for watching.